Good evening, everyone. Oh, afternoon. And now I just see that my frame is wrong again. Let me just fix this real quick. Welcome to my Sunday. It's so confusing having the actual Moni does stuff on a Sunday. But that's how it goes. Don't be confused if stuff is happening right now. Just because I need to fix stuff up here. Anyway, welcome to Moni Does Stuff episode, I forgot the number. Episode 14. And I'm back home. Woo! After 1.5 weeks in the UK and being just a tiny bit excited about all things Harry Potter, I am back in town and I'm back to the regular setup and not sitting in a bed that feels like a boat. So this week's episode on Moni Does Stuff is, did I say Saturday? Yeah, we're on a Sunday. I'm so confused and it feels so wrong. But anyway, this episode of Moni Does Stuff, we will be talking about landing pages. So it's part number 3 of the monthly series that's this month is called Rocket and Launch. So where I already introduced you to email marketing 101 and we talked about freebies in the first week. So this week we will talk about landing pages. You built your freebie, you set up your email marketing campaign, and now you want people to go somewhere because they need to find your stuff. And if you don't have a place and you're an actual hobo online, then nobody can find you. So you want an actual address or an actual home for what you're offering for people to find your stuff. And that's where landing pages do come in. Because how else should we sell people our stuff, and how else should people get to know us? So the thing is, did I say Saturday? I'm so sorry. Yes, we have Sunday. I am massively confused. But yeah, as I said, since everybody of us needs a home and a house or somewhere we can stay, we need to have a home and a house for our freebie. And this home and this house is a landing page. So to see what we will be discussing today, I'll just tell you real quick what a landing page is. I'll give you a bit of an insight about the structure of a landing page. And I will show you a few landing page builders and give you some advice in that area. So what are landing pages? As I said, landing pages is a website where people go or a way you can send people to actually inform them about the thing that you're offering. Could be making the freebie available for them, but give them a bit more information about what the freebie actually is, so that they then give you their email addresses, and in exchange get your freebie. This could also be, landing pages are not only there for freebies, because everything that you actually offer needs a landing page. It could be part of your actual website, but more often than not, you will probably just need one page where people can go to, because you don't want to overwhelm them with all the things that you're offering in general. So you just want to have probably a landing page for your freebie, or one landing page for a particular offer that you have right now, or a product that you're selling, for example. You don't want them to don't want to send them to a place where they have a lot of options, because you want to cater them exactly this one thing that they need, and don't get overwhelmed, because who needs like 30 different flavors of Oreo cookies when you're just craving a cookie? Give them just a cookie. And don't make them don't give them too many options to choose from, because it will just get confusing and you will be not happy with the selection, because how can you decide what kind of Oreo cookie you want if you have 20 options? So make it small, and just have landing pages for one particular thing, maybe two, depending, but not really overwhelm people with whatever is on your landing page. So the thing is that landing pages do have a specific autonomy that they or best practices that you want to put in place for people to make it more attractive to actually do what you want on your landing page. Sorry, yes, talking about food always makes me hungry too. But since I made a really awesome dish from Deliciously Ella yesterday, I'm all set. I have good food in my fridge, so yay! Anyway, I will just real quick show you an image from Unbound, which is a landing page builder, but I will get to that in a second, about what the actual autonomy of a landing page looks like. And I'm just have to incept here for a second. Because what you want to do, let's just look at the picture, we don't do a lot of reading here. You want to have a catchy headline, of course, and a sub-header that provides extra information. If you have a video, sometimes video, or pretty often, videos convert really well. It depends on how annoyed you are when a video actually automatically starts, because I, for one, get really annoyed when there is unexpected sound coming from a website. But in general, videos do convert really well. So the thing is, you have to find a way of how you actually want to go for it. What you want to have is a call to action button, or you want people to be able to do what you need them to do already when they visit their website. So don't hit them with a lot of text right at the beginning. That doesn't mean that you cannot explain what is going on or what your offer is all about. In general, the further down you actually scroll on the page, but you also want to just give them a call to action just when they hit the page. So it's important to have that call to action button above the fold, which is exactly, if you don't know what I mean by saying above the fold, it's what you see right now on that page. When you actually hit the page, when we load it, the button should be somewhere at the where you actually see it for the first time. So for example, here is a call to action button right here. Or if we just go, I'm just showing you maybe Melissa Griffin's website. So you see when you just type in her website, it's not a particular landing page for once, but it's the same principle. So you go on her website, and first thing you see is that blue button that goes right into your face, where you actually know that, or where your attention is drawn to. So people know not read anymore. So people need to at least be directed to somewhere at first, and if it seems interesting, then they will keep on reading. So for an example, I have a client's website here, landing page right here. So you see that get instant access is right into your face, and as it says on the autonomy of landing page website, we do have a header that will give you the most important information that you want to know right at the beginning, and then some sub information, and all the important things are right here above the fold. But we can scroll further down, and there you, for example, have an example of what this can look like, and you have a few testimonials, and once again, and a few. And another way of signing up for the freebie that my client is offering right here. So same thing for Melissa Griffith. You can click here to sign up, and you get that amazing pop-up that we talked about the other time. Yeah, there are different versions of headline of landing pages. Some are like kilometers long. I don't know if anybody actually really reads that one. I am not entirely sure. Amanda's cooking is amazing. Did I tell you that? Amanda's cooking is amazing. If I'd stayed in the UK, and especially in Northern Ireland, for more than the time I did, I might just be twice as heavy as I am right now. So maybe it's a good thing that I turned back home. Anyway, so back to landing pages. As you can see right here, there are of course some explanatory things that you can add on your landing page. give them more things to do, show them some benefits, and close the argument. And you can always add the sign up form or whatever it is you want people to do more often on a page, like at the beginning, somewhere in the middle, and of course somewhere at the end. So that's always a way to actually make a landing page more appealing for your clients, or for whatever it is that you want them to do. I can share that link in the comments with you later, so that you can read a bit more in depth about what a good landing page looks like. Check out the autonomy of a landing page. I will share that. And also there are some landing page best practices right here on the Unbound side, which is, of course, not only you can use them on all landing pages, not only the ones you create in Unbound. Which leads us directly to the landing page builders, because there are a few ways that you can actually build that landing page. If you own your own website and your own provider and your own hosting, and if you have your own domain, depending on whatever theme that you use, you can create your landing pages right there. So if you want to hop over to my page, and if we try out my landing page for my freebie, which you will find at moniroxiasocks.com/freebie, that's where I created my landing page for my freebie, where I give you a bit of information about what it is. You have a preview of my ebook there, and you can sign up to get it right here. That's not very good practice, as you can see, because my call to action button is not above the fold, but sometimes I get distracted by what else I want to display, so I didn't put it there. Then you get more information about me, then a few testimonials that I have, which I need to update too. Hi Hannah, thanks for the testimonial. And you can get sign up for my ebook again right here. So that's one thing you can do. You can do that. I made this landing page on my own web space with my theme that I use, which is, if you don't already know, Divi. And it's pretty easy to just set up a landing page in Divi. You can go to Dashboard, Pages, and create a new page. I will just show it to you real quick, because it'll probably be just a few heads ups before, so that you can actually create your landing page with Divi without having your mobile or your navigation visible. So if you want to do that, you just click simply, as I did right now, use the Divi builder, and then on the right hand side you see page attributes, and you can create a blank page. If you choose blank page, then it will automatically remove the footer and the header within the Divi theme, and you can create a lot of pages and a lot of landing pages in particular that don't show your navigation. So it will seem as if it's a separate page, and you don't have to mind a lot about how it works. So if you're not familiar with Divi, I will eventually have a new tutorial about how to actually use Divi, but it's set up in section and rows and in different kinds of modules, and you can just create your own landing page as you like. And if you don't like that particular view, you can always use the Divi visual builder, and it will help you, and you can work on your landing page as you go about it. So you can see here, you can just add a module or a row, and add whatever you want there, and you can work on it while you actually see it. So as a visual builder actually works, almost a bit drag and droppy, but not really drag and droppy. So yeah, that's Divi. If you own your own web space, and if you own your own domain, and if you have the Divi theme, you can easily create your own web pages without having to pay for a landing page builder. Yeah, I also like to look at people's back ends. It makes me excited, and I always screenshot things, but I don't do that now. as I mentioned, there are landing page builders that you have to pay monthly. Probably one of the most famous ones is Lead Pages. You can check out the pricing right here. Once again, there's a standard version, a pro version, and an advanced version. And depending on what it is that you want to do, you have to pay every month. That's just the annual fee. But what it gives you is maybe we can have a look at the template. You can, I can preview the template. That's pretty nice. You can preview, they have a lot of landing pages available that are already, convert really high. So you can choose from a few and just edit them as for the thing that you actually offer. So as you see here, it's also with a huge headline with a call to action right into your face, and gives you a lot of different things that you can actually add and change there. So Lead Pages also offers some different sorts of counters and has a drag and drop editor. So if you're a bit confused about how it actually how to code, or if you're not really comfortable with using Divi, Lead Pages simply has a drag and drop version. So you click and drop and drag, and as drag and drop works, you get the gist, right? So Lead Pages is one of them. But as you can see, it's a monthly fee, comes with a monthly fee. And the good stuff like A and B split testing, for example, only comes with a pro version, which depending on how expensive your offers are and how well you sell your stuff, it might make a lot of sense. Or if you have more than one landing page and you really make a lot of money with it, then definitely go with a page builder like Lead Pages. Another one is, for example, Unbounce. They have more than just landing page products. So you have landing pages. They also, Lead Pages also has these lead boxes that you can have a look, that you can add to your landing pages. So you click and there is this pop-up thing happening. So everybody is all so much into pop-ups. I'm really biased about that. But let's get back to Unbounce. Unbounce has also is also something that you have to pay. Ooh, that's rather expensive, I would say. So if you probably I'm so surprised that it's that expensive, to be honest. Depending on if you want to go about it, you can check out Unbounce or Instapage. There's also something where you can actually create landing pages, have this page builder thing happening. How much is that? And how much is that? Oh, you can see that's also like $69. ClickFunnels is also something similar where you can create landing pages, but mostly like funnels, so you can lead people from one page to the next A client of mine bought Igloo. Ooh, that looks a bit Igloo. Let's just have a look at that. Page builder. I hope I have never searched for something gross that will unexpectedly come up in my live streams, but I don't think it really does. So I don't think. So that's what I mean. You hear stuff suddenly. Please go away. I don't want to hear you talk. That's why I don't like videos when they happen suddenly, just because it annoys me so much if I just can't, if I didn't expect it to happen. So let me just click pause right here. Thanks. Igloo is something you just pay once. Oh, please go away. I don't like pop-ups, man. See why? I hope you see why. That fart gif was totally legit. Sorry. I didn't even realize it was a really gross fart gif, but whatever. So Igloo, you can buy that. for a one-time fee, and it has also a drag and drop builder, but you have to, so you buy actually Igloo to be able to have some different versions of. It's also drag and drop builder. You have some timers there, but you don't actually lead people to pages on Igloo. Instead, you have to import them to your own website. So you would still need a landing page. You would still need a provider and the domain and everything, and WordPress to then import the landing pages you created in Igloo there. It has some nice features. You can have, as I said, the counter and other types of what you also have available on drag and drop builders. So if you're not comfortable with using Divi as your landing page builder, then you can. Oh, I know those people. Hi, people. We know those, Ned and Jody. So Ned and Jody also use Igloo and are obviously really happy about it. So it's probably still a bit clunky, but if everything's set up fine, then you can actually produce decent landing pages with them. Click here, dude. As you can see, click here right into your face. I don't even see where it says that right now because I'm literally ignorant. Oh, it starts again. So I'm just closing this because I can't handle music starting from just like that. So as I said, the few versions you have available, there are still more landing page builders out there. What you can also do, just because I thought about that right now, the last time when we talked about MailerLite, you can build landing pages within MailerLite too. So let me just quickly log in right there. I hope it works. Is it the right password or isn't it? Yes, it's the right password. So as you can see, where is it? Campaigns. Am I blind? Probably. Forms? Yes. You can create landing pages here with the actual forms on them. So let's just click on my, is it a land? I create a landing page here. Test landing page, and MailerLite has this option, and as far as I know, MailChimp has too. MailChimps are probably not as fancy as the MailerLite ones are, I assume. So you also have templates you can choose from depending what you want to do. Yeah, have a pre-register now thing, pre-register, or you see that those landing pages that MailChimp is offering, they're pretty similar to maybe lead pages have. But what you cannot do, but since you verify that with your domain and you link your own domain to it, you can probably have like monirocksyoursocks.com/new freebie or something happening. So it's probably easier and definitely cheaper to create landing pages, maybe also in MailerLite. So yeah, that's practically, and as you can see right here, it's also drag and drop kind of thing. So you can just click on the button and drag it over here, and then you can just start and add it to whatever it is you want it to say. As you can see, woo, we're on top, aren't we? Oh yeah, we're at the top. That's one way. Another way of producing landing pages. So as I said, don't put all the most important information above the fold. So when people hit your website, bam, you want them to see directly what's happening. For example, I will show you once again, like Melissa Griffith does. Griffith. I've watched too much Family Guy. Melissa Griffin has the click your sign up here right into your face right there. Or my client Sarah has it too. Get instant access right there. Or let's just look at Digital Nomad Kit. Is it also in your facey? Yes, you can see you all kids what you want to have what you want to happen right into your face. So people know what they do right when they hit your website. You made the landing page for your, let's just have a look at thankfulcowsolutions.moo. If you want to join their newsletter, you can do that right there. And you can see notify me, boom, in your face. So people can actually, when they hit your website, know immediately what they can do there. So that's very important when you create your landing pages. Other than that, I will share with you the different best practices for pages and what a landing page autonomy looks like, so that you can maybe ramp up your stuff a bit. So once again, that was it for this Sunday. I know we have Sunday. So sorry. Anyway, that was it for suddenly voiceover turn off voiceover. I don't know what I clicked there, but voiceover just happened. Anyway, that was it for this Sunday. We have Sunday, I'm sorry we don't have Saturday. Thanks for watching again this evening, afternoonish. If you have any questions about landing pages, if you want to create them, just hit me up. If you have problems with them, hit me up. I offer a tech consultancy for 1.5 hours and I can walk you through how to create your own landing page. If you want to find out more about what's happening at Moni Does Stuff, then join my newsletter. You will get a weekly email, which you didn't the last 2 weeks just because I wasn't at home, but going forward you will again receive my newsletter if you join my mailing list. So that happens at monirocksyoursocks.com/freebie, or you can chat with Yoshi if you type in monirocksyoursocks.com/Yoshi. Yoshi is YOSHI, as in the green dragon from Mario Kart, which I totally sucked at in Northern Ireland. But again, next week we will talk about how you can get paid. And I will give you a few options there, like a few tools, how you can add PayPal buttons to your website and stuff to actually get the moolah in your account. So see you again next Sunday. Thanks everyone for watching and hope to see you soon. Same time, same station, next Sunday. Have a great evening and I hope you have a fabulous start in the week. Start your morning with Monday morning mimosas, guys, and stay tuned to find out more about that. But have a great evening and goodbye.